Right, today we're going to bring a tracking collar for your cat, and this was an Airtag. You add an Airtag in here, and it comes with a belt, but unfortunately we're going to remove the belt. I don't want to have it unless he's in the house, but I just want to make sure that I could track my cat because he's been going out in the field, in the street, and I just want to make sure that he's okay. And when I find him, and I can always track him instead of, me going looking for him, I can at least see him through my iPad and other stuff. So I'm gonna put this on the cat today. This is Cheeto. We have a tracking device on him now, so we don't have to worry about him no more. Our cat, if you guys can see, he has a collar, and I'm able to track him now, so I know exactly where he's at in the neighborhood. So if you have a cat, you want to track him, or a dog, this is a perfect thing. Easy to set up on the cats. All right, check out the reflection of the actual collar. So that's another great item in case so you won't get run over at night, or you want to see him at night with your flashlight. You can do it. And right now this is the daytime, but the light's reflecting on this collar. So with the tracker, very simple to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.